I'm Kylie.
And I'm Ben, and believe it or not, we're trying to build our house.
Yay!
In here.
And we're going to film the whole thing.
So just come back from the council, and guess what?
We're building consent! Yay!
So excited. We can actually now start building. Gonna give Ray a bell and tell him to get started ASAP. Ray, just been with council and they've given us our consent. Yeah, basically ready to go when you are. Woohoo! Okay, mate. We'll see you on site in a day or two. We're good. Cheers, man. See you. Bye.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Straight into it. So pretty exciting. We're heading down to the section and we're meeting our builders on the site. Pretty cool.
So what are these like big sticks that you've put up?
They're our pegs for our profiles. We string it up with lines and nails to actually map out where your house actually sits on them.
Oh, that'll be
So
cool.
we know where to start ramming these poles.
Yeah.
So you'll mark where the poles are.
Yep.
Then figure out where the drains go around it.
Yeah.
So pretty exciting stuff. Our digger's here to clear it all out and make our building platform.
So it finally feels like everything's starting to happen really quickly. It's all go. Stu's digging our little drainage holes.
Big drainage.
Big drainage holes.
Yeah.
A couple of drains down the side, a couple of drains on the other side, and our section's going to be super dry. Ready to build on. Huge day today on the section. We've got our piles going in. Just heading up there now to check on the progress and really looking forward to seeing some of these big timber piles getting driven in. They're going down about 5 metres, so no doubt she'll be a little bit nerve-wracking as well as they're getting thumped down, but it's fantastic to see the progress and our house sort of finally starting to come out from the ground. You can see the old digger's been pooning up and down here a fair bit, eh? So basically what they're doing is they're doing some test piles. They've got to do 4 of them.
Yeah.
And then the geotech engineer turns up and the structural engineer turns up. What they're going to do is just, I think they call it these test sets to make sure that their calculations they've done behind a computer and on paper actually match what's happening here.
And if they find that it's not solid down there, then we have to go down further, or?
Well, yeah, I mean, I guess the problems they could find is that they've got to go deeper, so we've got to spend more on bigger piles, or...
Oh no! Yes!
It's the first piece of our house out of the ground.
Yeah.
Cool. So that's the geotechs and engineers heading off site, and they're pretty stoked with what they've seen.
Yeah, seems to all go according to plan.
So you can see that's like our finished floor height there.
So that's a long way. So that means that needs to come all the way down.
Yeah, I think they'll have to bash it a bit further, but then they'll cut off as well. So Garrick and Ray will cut it off to
the right level.
Get the right height once they've got it deep enough down.
It's pretty solid.
I was quite worried about the stream maybe falling apart.
Yeah, because if they put a pile in the stream, could that potentially make it collapse?
Or even as they start vibrating, everything
moves. And then what happens next? Is that the subfloor then, or?
Yeah, so straight after that, next week, Ray and Garrick will start building the subfloor. So in about a month, all going well, weather permitting, this will be pretty much a finished exterior.
Hard to believe.
I know, eh? Right. Looking at it now.
So it's raining and we have water in our stream!
Heaps and heaps of water.
Can you see?
Can you see? Whee! It's been raining for probably, what, 3-4 hours?
Yeah. Woohoo!
Now we're going to get out of the rain.
Yes, please.
And go have some hot chocolates.
Sounds good.